Now let me recreate the same table with one modification. Create table cons1 col1 number not null. Here I have specified that the column col1 will be a not null column. This means that it will not accept any null values. Let us check that. Select star from cons1, no rows as expected. Now let me try to insert a null value. Insert into cons1 values, single quotes, single quotes. It fails because of the not null constraint on the column. Now let me insert a numerical value. It works. Verify it. We see the value here. Now let us drop the table just for now. Thank you for watching.